Hello, I'm Jackie with the Oregon Department of Revenue. We're the people who collect the taxes that Oregon counts on. As an operations and policy analyst, I help many taxpayers navigate the revenue system, keeping our customers up to date on developments to help with their payments. One of our innovations is the withholding calculator. We are offering this as a way to help you get the correct amount of tax withheld. Here's how to use it.
You start by searching for our Oregon Withholding Calculator. You can go to our webpage or search for Oregon Withholding Calculator on your search engine such as Google, which will take you to the Start page. Once you're on the page, you can find out about Oregon Withholding, view a list of items to gather before you use the calculator, and then you can start by clicking on the Take Me to the Calculator button. Once you're on the Withholding Calculator page, you'll find questions whether using the Withholding Calculator is right for you, and then click the Next button to move on to the Taxpayer Information page. On this page, it's important to note that we're not going to collect any personal information about you, such as your name or your Social Security number. It's just seeking basic information about your return, such as filing status, whether someone else can claim you as a dependent on their return, how many dependents you'll be claiming, and information about those dependents. You can click on the little circle I to get additional information. On the Wages screen, you'll enter the number of jobs you've had in the tax year, your gross wages, how much of your pay you'll contribute to pre-tax or retirement plans, whether you'll receive bonuses. Next, you'll go to your federal withholding with various questions about forms, marital status, and more, and then move on to Oregon withholding questions about your payment schedule and more, including whether you had a second job and withholding information from it. Once you've answered those questions, click Next to move on to the Earned Income and Withholding page. On the Other Income screen, here's your opportunity to enter other types of tax information, such as self-employment, whether you've made estimated payments, and other types of income that are not considered earned income, such as retirement or pension. Then click Next. On the Adjustments page, you'll enter deductions from your federal gross income, any federal tax credits you'll be getting other than the Earned Income Credit or the Child Tax Credit, and if you have any Oregon additions or subtractions. And now for deductions. The default in the calculator is the standard deduction, but if you have itemized deductions that'll be more than the standard deduction, go ahead and enter those here. Now for Oregon tax credits. Enter credits you'll be claiming on your Oregon return other than the Earned Income Credit, the Personal Exemption Credit, or the WFHDC credit. For the Earned Income Credit, enter the age of your youngest child. If you're going to claim the WFHDC credit, click Yes, and those fields will open for you to fill out. Otherwise, answer No, and then click Next. And your results will appear on the next page. The calculator will tell you how much the tax will be on your Oregon return, how much withholding you'll have if you don't make any changes, and how much tax you'll pay or how much your refund will be. It will make suggestions for how you can make your withholding more accurate by filing Form ORW4 and making the suggested changes. You'll find instructions on how to change your Oregon tax withholding and a summary of the information that you provided to the calculator.
And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email.